Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Microsoft account and ensure the Outlook app or web is updated. Once signed in, add the mailbox by selecting Add Account and choosing Exchange, Microsoft 365, or IMAP/POP depending on provider. Make sure you enter credentials and server details when prompted. If your organization uses Modern Auth, the app will redirect you to the company sign-in page. After the account appears, sync settings automatically begin and you can move to organizing views. Now refine how Outlook works for you. Adjust focused inbox to separate important mail, then set swipe gestures and notification preferences for fast triage. Create folders and categories for major projects and define rules to auto-sort incoming messages. This reduces clutter. Connect your calendar and contacts so scheduling stays integrated, and install add-ins for tasks, CRM, or cloud storage to extend functionality. Once these are set, test sending and receiving, confirm calendar sync, and then proceed to advanced mailbox controls. Finish by personalizing signatures, setting out-of-office replies, and verifying send/receive for each account. Make a test message to confirm delivery. Export or back up essential mail and settings to a PSD or cloud archive if you need a local copy. If messages fail to sync or authentication errors appear, try removing and re-adding the account, toggle sync settings, and clear cached credentials. If that fails, update the app and restart the device. This quick troubleshoot resolves most connectivity problems and gets you back to work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.